We are in the heart of Azuri. This is one of our IRS properties. With the purchase of these properties, you receive the residence permit. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, 141 square meters big, so you have plenty of space. It's fully equipped and furnished. Just right in front of your terrace, you have a swimming pool area. On the other side, you have the spa and a gym. Plus here you have a nice open American kitchen, which is also fully equipped. So concluding, I would say this is a very convenient apartment for a small family to rent or as a holiday home. It's a great investment. You get the residence permit with the purchase of this apartment, and we are also can assist with different rental management services like short-term rental or long-term rental, property maintenance services. So if you're interested, just give me a call.